Hi friends, welcome to my channel Irfan Meet. Today I am going to give you some tips about typing, how to boost up your typing speed. So there are two best websites. The first one is for those who have net facilities 24 hour. I mean they have Wi-Fi in their home. So the first website I want to give you to come here is that www.typingclub.com, and it's a best of left form. You have to come here and just log in yourself and register yourself and get start a complete courses. So I'm just opening it, you have to see it. So I just start on click on start, and you see the complete course of introduction up to typing keys, FGs, and it's online tutorials, and it's consist of many levels. You see I'm just scrolling down to it consists of 684 level. So you have to register here and just start typing. I am sharing the link in description as well. And for those who have no net facilities, every time they have to download a typing master test. It's the name of software, and the good news is that the size of that software is very less, just 4.1 MB. You have to download it, and then you can download it, and I will also share the link in description. So I download it and let's open it. Yes, I download it and open it, and I'm using it. It's a very fantastic application. It's actually it is software. So you have to just register, and it's a complete program as well. So you can use it and you can boost up your speed in your games, typing tests, statistics, minutes, or paragraph you have to read and write it, and there are custom reviews, typing meters, how much is your typing speed, and it's a complete guide. So I just suggest you to please download it and use it and boost up your typing. And that's all about. Thanks for watching.